Hello everyone, it's Pascal. I am with my wife Joyce. We're at the moment at La Trinidad Public Market. We want to show you a bit how it is here. I really like this place, so yeah, let's take a look at La Trinidad Public Marketplace.
The coffee.
Okay, my wife will show you that one. Where is that one? There.
Those are from Benguet. Yeah. And then some are in Kalinga, right? So for me, the best coffee is from Kalinga. Which one? Oh, this one. Yeah, so it's 630 per kilo, as you can see. There are. So Arabica is from Mountain Province.
Native
Yeah.
from Mountain.
Yes, and then I guess this is Benguet, so they have all, they produce their own, each
There's
provinces. Yes, but they are all good. But of course, if you drink that, be careful, you will have.
Yeah, no, it's fine, I guess. And
But
I guess
this is
for
how it is.
all the American viewers we have here, they're used to coffee mostly. They're strong now.
But those are naturally, really
Yeah.
planted here.
Yeah, and it smells good, so for sure.
Very, when you pass by here. It's
Yeah.
yung pata.
Okay, thank you, Ate. So what we have left here? So there's even a second coffee store here. Then I will get a bit of distance to show you well. We have fruits.
Are from
Those are
Davao.
lakatan.
Yeah, they are from Davao.
Davao one, yeah. It's colorful. You see, that's good here. Everything is compact, so you can see a lot without having to walk long distance. Fuji apple. So this is the one that I bought mostly often inside Baguio. So those one are good. From Japan. You remember this one here? We tried that one and I like it. I don't remember the name of that
Mountain
one.
Province, persimmon.
Persimmon, yeah, very good one.
It's good, very good.
Yeah.
It's sweet. We'll go there.
I guess we continue the line, but for sure there is more. It's only passing on the outside line here, but there is way more if you go inside. Not only like here, it's maybe more on the food outside, but inside there is more.
Of course, Filipinos.
Yeah, survival.
It's
you
not
need that
only
to
survival.
yeah,
It's to live. Oh
to live.
my God, this is.
There's a bee there.
I'm just amazed with this one. Look at this, babe. My God. You know what they
Because
said?
they like the sweet of the corn.
Yeah, they said that this is alak for
Alak?
Igorot people. Alak.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you show them?
Yeah,
There is bee inside. And
did.
this is a
They go even
corn. Wow, I like those. Handa nga maaw-awan. Uy. Talaga mabitata.
Hello. They have even darker rice here.
Gosh.
And they're not
Papay.
no, they're not
Wow.
aggressive really.
They
It's
are
fine.
not. They like maybe they're natural.
They're sweet.
sweetness.
They find some sweet.
Handa nga kung baga. Okay. So, yeah, okay. They're friendly. Kasi kabling ka lang no. So this is also our
So is it sticky, this one also?
yeah, it's
Because by the name here it said malagkit.
yeah, okay.
So it's
This is a
sticky.
part of sticky rice but dark. Maybe kasjay? Kasladikat mo lang niya. Nangisip. Yeah, okay. They have different types there. A lot.
There is
my
even,
God.
it's not only the rice, I
Very
thought it was
hard.
only the rice, but the maize also can be sticky.
Ay, for sure. Mais is
Malagkit, so it
sticky.
don't stop only with the rice. Okay. We'll continue a bit. So we're on a good place for rice. There is many star. And then there is the meat one here. We'll pass there. So inside you see there's many, it's more. They have meat there, it's meat area.
This is
They
ngok
have
ngok.
chicken. Mok
This is
mok.
ngok. This is ngok ngok.
Mok mok. So they have a beach place. We'll go down. This will be mostly the clothing area. A bit less into food, but no, they still have on the main line after.
Clothing area.
Let's take a look here a bit. So here it's used clothes.
Have 50 pesos.
Yeah, it's good. $1, you know. Why not? You know, you need to dig deeper to find a gem. That's how it works.
This is 50 pesos. We're mostly only digging in those one cheaper ones.
Yung malakala short lang tayo po pa na dito wala.
Those are fish area.
Close here.
Okay, it's done. We'll go back.
I will make a turn, show a upper here. Have more stars. Then we have fish area here, baños, so good for my wife.
Bangus and rice is a good life in Philippines.
Baños and rice every day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm used to rice at least. Now that I'm in Philippines, mostly it's every day I will eat rice, but it's not 3 times a day like my wife or her kids. I skip mostly the breakfast. I don't eat rice on the breakfast often, but after that I eat rice sometimes 1 or 2 times a day. Here you have glasses, what? Electronic radios. And then those one you already see in my video before. Okay, yeah. Let me show you here. This is something that surprised me a bit when I first came in Philippines, when they carry those one. Really, and sometimes it's even going down on the road and they use the brakes. Heavy one. Yeah, potato, it's cabbage this time. Potato again there. You see this one is coming in the braking. It's heavy, pushing. So here you see the traffic is all jammed now. Everybody go to the market and it's the hour. I guess it's very active. We'll try to move, guys. Continue. So let's take a look here. So on that store here, you see pepper. They have here sayote. This is really what you can find in Benguet. It's the best place to find those. They are not everywhere. I guess on lowlands it's hard to grow that. It's too hot, too dry maybe. So we have tomato also. Mostly all year long we have a good amount of tomato in Benguet.
Is your favorite?
Pomelo, yeah. It's like a grapefruit, but there's a bit of back taste on this one, so it's better, this one. In Canada, grapefruit, I will put like a sugar and I can eat like that. This one, I prefer mostly with the vinegar. It really remove any kind of little back taste, and it's very good after that. So that's something I learned here in Philippines, that fruit fit with vinegar, but their vinegar is also less strong, so that's the thing. This one, upo. So look at the size here, and they're not expensive, and it's very good to cook with anything like chicken mostly, or pork. And then this one is
This is squash. We divide it
so,
like that
yeah, they are
accordingly to price.
Yeah,
So maybe this is 20 pesos. Oh, 40 pesos.
30 pesos. 20 they have, 20 like there, but smaller. fix my butt. If you want to fix your keys, have new ones, a double. Here you have garlic, onions. Hello.
So we have something like this. I will
Here.
show.
Okay. So how you call this one?
Suman. Cassava.
Cassava rice.
Wrapped in a
Banana leaf. Yeah, good.
It's good.
So you
Is it
get,
good, Pascal?
yeah, we'll try. You want to buy it?
Okay, I will buy one.
Buy one. I will just take a look on the
How
side
much?
here while you buy it. Because it's 20, this one. So they have bread here. This is also for the Canadian in me, you know what? Bread always talk to me. I like bread. So they have ube flavor. Somebody will pass this way. Pineapple one, I like those. Look at here. This is a place that my wife will like. So she like a lot the leafy ones. So here we have many. What is that one there?
Taro leaf.
Oh yeah, taro leaf. Yeah, they're smaller size. How about this one here?
I don't know. I'm
It's
not
30
sure.
pesos.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's a good one. Maybe we'll grab some when we come back. Squash flower.
Flower, I like that.
Then they have here, this one is sayote tops. We try that often.
There.
Good one. Take a check here what they have. Okra. So the Filipino okra, you can see it everywhere. It's a good one. Let's continue. Leeks. Sometimes you can find some good deal here with the shoes, used shoes. They have new also some mixed with that. Those ones look to be pretty clean still. Is it new? Yeah.
Show them the carts that
So,
are moving.
this is how it is at the entry. People have emptied their cart and they will reload. You can see this one. He's entering the vegetable trading post. La Trinidad. So I need to pass by here first. It's crowded. Hi babe, we'll take a look here on that side. Here it's for my food, my belly. So sometime I remember that I bought some bread here before. Let's see if I can get something. Here, I bought here before. So we have here the famous hamon. Kind of fruit cake. This one is very Canadian style. Not that. They have many one there. Just a little good. Sprinkles. Ube one. See? You don't need to walk a lot. Everything is all together, colorful, easy to access. That's a good part of La Trinidad. And then if we continue, I will not go more far, but if we continue there, you will see that this is where they receive the trucks with veggies. They open, they sort out, clean out, prepare to be sold and bring to market like here, Baguio. It will go to Manila also for sure. And then here we have those one. I guess it's popular everywhere in Philippines. Those are pancakes with the flavor inside. You can have like ube, cheese, a yema at the bottom there. Good one to carry.